Why is this? What's up, everyone? Oh, that means I can move this now. Beautiful. You guys got to excuse me for a second. I'm just getting back into the swing of things. So this is just going to be me getting the links out to everyone. Should have got my YouTube and stuff up before I did any of this, but it's okay. If you guys are watching the replay, just go ahead and skip a few minutes. This is just going to take me a minute or so to get set up here. Once I get back in the pattern of doing this again, it'll be a lot easier. Why is my monitor off? Is it interesting? Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Get the links out here and we can get started. I got everything else out there. Yeah. All right, everyone. How's it going? I know it's been a while. I think about 2 weeks. I was on vacation. Had a really good time. Got to hang out with some friends and family. So now we're back in the swing of things. So I hope everyone's doing well. Happy Thursday. I was going to stream live. Well, stream live, obviously that's what streaming is, but I was gonna stream on Tuesday, but I got back from vacation Saturday and my sleep schedule is all messed up, so it took me a while just to get back to a regular sleep schedule. On top of that, I had to unpack. I'm still in the process of unpacking, and you know, just being out of that habit of streaming twice a week kind of got to me. So I told myself, you know what, let's just do it today. So now we're here, we're hanging out. So let's see, when did I leave? So the last time I streamed was, got back home Saturday, Thursday the 21st, about 2 weeks ago from today. What happened on the 21st is a quick little recap. All right, so last time we streamed, we were sitting in this area here, and there was a couple of different options that were on the table, and the primary one I was looking at was, before this pump happened, I wanted to see something like this. You know, I discussed this in the last live stream I did 2 weeks ago, but unfortunately just did not happen. And so I had to kind of rework the idea and what I wanted to see. Now, you know, I think that's still plausible, but I see this more as an ABC, which was on the table, was an option. But I wanted to see one more leg up. We did get that. It just took a little bit to actually get that larger structure, that finishing structure. So instead of it coming down, I wanted to see something more like this. But, you know, that works too. I ain't mad. So I'm currently short off of, I got his entry a little bit late because I was pretty sure I was traveling. If not, I was on vacation still. The 30th. What was going on? Yeah, I was actually I was driving back from vacation here, and then from where I was, it was about 9 hours. So we got up early in the morning. I was able to catch that short on the way down, I believe. Yeah. I don't remember exactly. I don't remember that day at all. I just remember sitting in a car for 10 hours. So got that short off of here, and the different variations of what I'm looking for primarily is I'm looking for a bigger leg down. Now, can it come back down and get back to at least test that 17K level? Absolutely. I believe that is in the cards 100%. But am I really putting too much weight behind that idea? Not at the moment. You know, if this dump starts to get a little bit more aggressive, you know, I would say probably. But for me, I'm primarily looking for some sort of larger pullback here. And I think that this is going to, I don't know, I can't speak. This is going to contribute to the idea of more possible sideways action. Now, I just want to give you guys some perspective here. You know, this area here, when did that wick happen? This sideways price action took about 2 months, give or take. And I think we're approaching kind of, I would say we're getting close to at least 6 weeks. Yeah, we're getting close to that 2-month mark. So this could be just some sort of bottoming sideways action here. I don't know. So at the moment, I kind of want to lead towards the idea of this being more of a pullback to where we kind of just consolidate and kind of play with this range, and hopefully we can get some sort of bottom here. I'm not too sure if how clean, or you know, I say clean with quotations because you know sometimes price likes to give us these nice easy structures to short and long off of. Sometimes it doesn't, like this garbage. This is garbage. But so let's see what happens. I'm still holding my short on BTC. I do not see a confident or a big enough position or structure to actually take a long off of in case we just keep going. So if we just pump from here and just keep going, oh well, that's what happens, and we'll revisit the next idea, or we'll have to go back to the drawing board and see what the next viable option is. So just leave loose. Okay, that was annoying me. We're just gonna quickly go down the list, as you know, everything's pretty much gonna be the same. This is more kind of just be hopping on, catching up, saying hi, hello, just letting you know, guys, letting you guys know I'm still here. So this was pretty much this big larger structure on ETH is there. This played out a little bit differently than what BTC did. BTC kind of consolidated and took its a little bit more of a, how do I say this? The moves wasn't as aggressive, or at least the pumps weren't. You know, for every little thing BTC was doing, ETH was pretty much moonshotting. So unfortunately, there was, you know, we did have that long position back here that we talked about before this pump initially, well, after this pump initially started. Fortunately, that was on the table. We did miss out on that, but I do see a very large structure. Clear as day, almost pretty much clear as day in my opinion. And this would contribute to the larger ABC of an A to a B to a C. So is this the top for ETH? It could, definitely can be. There's also some room for shenanigans. I understand that, but for me, I'm taking a short, or I've been playing this area on ETH, and it's been fun. Let's just say that at the very least. Mark that out for you guys here. I can't find the tool I'm looking for. I'm currently short off of the 1675 area, and same kind of idea as Bitcoin. I don't think ETH is gonna go back down that below 1,000. I could be completely wrong. I want to see some sort of, at the very least, a larger pullback before I can go ahead and exit short or take long off of that. So that's ideally what I'm looking for. It could go back down to at least test that $1,000 level. I feel like it's a good area of support. So that's a couple ideas for ETH. Primarily for me is shorting. I don't see anything that's significantly big enough to take a long off of perspective wise, in my opinion. Let's move on to LTC. So LTC does have this bigger structure here. Also the ABC within the C. I am playing this a smaller one just to kind of play into the continuation of a possible reversal. So I'm currently short off of that 61.75 area, and you know, pretty much same thing. I'm looking for just a big enough structure to where I can confidently say, okay, let's go for a long, and I'll either hedge it or I'll take profit depending on this, how deep this goes. It's really, I'm just going to play it as I see it. I have really no set plan as to where I'm going to take profit. So let me just throw that out. You know, ABC, give you some idea, like perspective wise, what I'm looking for. I want to see like something like this, something like that. Then I can say, okay, you know what, that's going to be a confident place to go long off of. So just keep that in mind. XRP. All right, so XRP had this larger structure here. A, B, C. So if you're going to be shorting XRP, the level to be playing off of was that 3870 level. And yeah, same thing. Depends on where this wants to go. As long as I'm holding my shorts, I'm not looking for any take profit area or long region to take off, or long positions in general for a long time until price gives me a good enough setup to take a position off of. Ruby, thanks for the update, mate. Thank you for stopping by, Ruben. I appreciate you, buddy. How you doing? I'm just I don't know if you missed the beginning of this, but I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things. I've been on vacation for the past like 2 weeks. So I spent all day last Saturday driving. By the time I got my sleep schedule back and was unwinding and unpacking, I went right back to work on Monday or Tuesday. So just trying to get back into the swing of things here. So I figured I'd just hop in, say hello, let you guys know what's going on. Even though, to be honest, in the grand scheme of things, there's not really much going on. I figured I'd just give you guys kind of an update slash just run you over, go through the wow, I can't fucking speak. Just go through the normal not charades, but the normal plan of what I usually do on stream and kind of give you guys an idea of what I'm thinking, what I'm looking for. So that's what I've been trying to say, but I made that way too complicated. Same way I was traveling as well. It's time to start providing liquidity to the markets. Exactly. You know, me and Kite had to go to a crypto Illuminati meeting. So that was a interesting time. Got to meet him, have dinner. Kite's a cool dude. Kite, if you're watching this, I love you, man. I had such a good time. You got to come up to me. We're going to have the Illuminati conference up here. I'll talk to you guys about that here in a little bit. It was a good time. I spent the day with Kite. Kind of just got to hang out, just shoot the shit, just kind of talk like we would have been friends for a while. BCH is pretty much the only thing I can see bearish wise short is off of this structure. We are kind of teetering in that region right now. I personally do not like that. So I would stay away from this if you can. But if you really want to take a short, that's the position I'd be looking for at 135. And since we're sitting in this area, I would say if this wants to continue downwards, I would say the probability of at least getting close to that 94, 95 area. 94, $95 region is a good area for me. The reason why I say that is that there's a decent support here. So that's me. Josh V, Ruben, what up? How you doing, man? How's it going? Thank you for stopping by. Yo, what's up, my G? The liquid market doesn't take much to move market, especially shit coins. Absolutely. How's everyone doing today? XMR. I don't remember. Oh, I was looking for local lows. XMR has just been what is this? This has just been taking its time, and I could just draw ABCs within this all day. So it's like some sort of wedge pattern. I don't see any significant short position besides all the way back down here, but since we're so far above that region, maybe you can count this as one continuous trend. So like something like this. Like perspective wise, what that's an ideal setup for a short. But who knows if we're gonna get that based on current market conditions. But that's the only thing I'll be looking for. Cardano. Let's see. Oh, okay, you had a nice short setup over here. Like I said, when I was on vacation, all I looked at is BTC and ETH, and I looked at my chart maybe once a day. So I missed out on a little this shitcoin action. Even though I probably wouldn't have taken it regardless. You know what? Let's just do this. So you had that short set about like 54.86, 55 cent area. Is that 55 a good number? Yeah, let's say 54.86. And that was the only good position I probably would have taken in comparison, in perspective of what the other prior structure looks like, or the bigger structure. I see something like this. I can't speak today, guys. I am so sorry. I see this being a very nice, juicy macro structure here. So I'm not saying that's exactly it's going to come to fruition. I'm not saying we're going to go down absolutely to that bottom and test it, but most bearish case scenario, if not same as everything else, is kind of looking for something that's relative in size to this, or I wanted to take a long position or take profit on any of the shorts that I've been holding. Had a wick short on theta after the pump, however, closed early in profit. A slow gaze managing my trees in this market rather than letting them. Okay, that's valid. However, closed early in profit. Slow gaze managing my trees. Good for you, Josh. There's not much going on, so sometimes it's better to just play it safe. Sol, it's the only position on Sol was based off of this area here, off of this ABC. Me personally, I wouldn't have taken this. It's just a lot of chop. Now, if you get back above that 47.42 area, I would consider another short there. But ideally, the bigger structure is at that 43.12 area. And same thing. There's a lot, there's a lot of support in some of these regions here. So I personally don't want to put too much weight on the idea that we're going to retest the lows. I'm looking for something relative in size. Like this, actually, now that I see it, that's a good structure. So let's go ahead and highlight this. If price doesn't get back above that 47.25 area, I would say you guys got a green light to go ahead and attempt this long here when price gets back below. I want you to make this green just so you guys go ahead and take that long if price gets back below a 34.65.70 region. I'm not sure exactly, but you want price to break below and come back up. Don't know the smart contracts. Traders market right now, but I'm still stacking spot buys. Are you DCAing, Josh, or are you just going based off of like local lows and local areas? KDA. The only thing I would try to short off a KDA is over here in this area, but you do have a good amount of like kind of resistance here playing into support. So I'm not telling you guys to short, but if you're going to short, I would say go ahead and play it off of this structure here. That $1.88. That green is bright. Not much going on for XTZ as well. A lot of chop. Yeah, I don't see anything clear or concise to me, in my opinion. So we'll wrap it up with the list for that. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to you guys. Make sure I caught up on chat. There's market right now. Okay. Josh, Ruben. All right. So now I'm going to allow you guys to, we're just going to hang out for a little bit. If you guys want to ask me anything, want me to see, you want me to look at something you guys might want me to take a look at, I can do that for you. Heck yeah, DCA. For long-term thinking like 20, 30 years. Okay. I have like different levels of DCA, if that makes sense. Like I have DCA positions that I'm going to hold forever. I have DCA positions I plan on holding until the next top. I scattered everything. Spot buys, leverage accounts. Well, not really so much leverage. I kind of just do this on leverage for the most part. I do have a swing account, but I don't really use it. I haven't used it in a while. I took like one decent short on. I took the last good short I had was based off of this level or this region. I ended up cashing it like right around here. I don't remember exactly, but I was just kind of playing that low just in case we did come back up in reverse, but obviously we didn't. So that was the last swing short I have taken on my swing account. And now if we come back down all the way back down to here, I'm probably going to take that and hold it for a while. Just not too long because funding is going to kill me on that trade. Now, let me show you guys something. So I'm sure you guys saw we're in the Discord, or most of you guys watching are from Kite's Discord. If you guys are here watching the reruns and you're not from Kite's Discord, I recommend you go check him out. I'll pull his page up in a moment. He's the reason why I'm here today. Like, he taught me everything I've ever known. He helped me get myself on a good path. Like, the guy's a genuine guy. Like, Kite's exactly the same person in person than he is online, like the exact same way, and I love that. So Kite's a good dude. Love spending time with him. I'm definitely gonna go back down there again, because that restaurant he took me to, or we went to, was absolutely phenomenal. Where is this? Here it is. Wonder if I pull it up. All right, so I'm gonna pull it up here for a second. Got a little quick snippet of me and Kite. Why is this so? Yeah. So, quick little recap of that trip. That was fun. I also got to meet the fish. The fish was the man. I love that dog. That dog has no personal boundary. Like, immediately, as soon as he barked at me like I was some sort of stranger, as soon as he sniffed me, that was it. Sat on the couch, got up right in my face. Dude, he saved Bybit the same. Yes, he does, Josh. He does. That's really funny. Oh, I just realized I was talking about him. If you guys are watching a rerun and you don't know who that is, that's pretty funny. Heat Day. So, if you guys aren't from Kite's channel and you happen to stumble across me, welcome, first of all. Second of all, if you guys don't want to learn from me, Kite is your absolute go-to. He has a lot of knowledge and a lot of experience into space, and I absolutely I will recommend him before I recommend myself. I am just a mere pawn, not a pawn, but he is the sensei of trading, in my opinion. So go ahead and check him out. Kite Crypto, look for the little kite logo, and he definitely can absolutely help you out. Let me show you guys some pictures of the view I had from the house we were staying at. So where I was staying at was at a beach. Well, at the beach. And we had a second story balcony. Well, actually the house that we're staying in was 3 levels, but we had our rooms on the second. But I took a lot of these photos. In on the top deck. If I can figure out how to get. Hang on for a second here, folks. Let me just check pull up chat. We're still cruising. Oh, nice. Perfect. Okay, there's one. Where is Discord? I mean, fortunate for me, nothing has been going on market-wise. So I was actually able to not be too active while things were going on, or at least I was on vacation. Let me show you guys some of the pictures here. All right, so this was the first day. So that was the view from the deck. So pretty much it was like straight. Like if you're looking out to the ocean, this is pretty much straight a little bit to the left. Like you see on the right side here, there was houses right on the beach. But this was a very nice. I loved waking up to this every day. It was fucking. The water wasn't the best, but I loved it. Show you guys some more pictures. Kind of clouds building up one of the nights. That was cool. Here's another one. So this is also from the top deck. I keep pointing the camera to the left because you'll see one of the pictures to the right. There was a lot of houses and stuff. But this place was amazing. So there's a lot of houses, and there's that pathway to the beach. So there wasn't really much going on the right side. The view is on the left. I think that was it. So that was pretty much where I was staying for the last week. I do have a lot of plans. I took the time to also think about what I wanted to do with a lot of things, just life, the channel primarily. I love doing this, and I really want to keep going and expand. That's the goal. Help learn the way of the ABC, show people the way of the ABC. So I have some cool ideas, cool content coming out. Of course, on top of the regular live streams. All right, guys. I think I'm going to go ahead and call it. Like I said, this is my first stream back, so kind of just going to chill out for a little bit. So, yeah, I'm all caught up on chat. I think it's a good time to wrap it up. It's like 8 o'clock. I need to continue to unpack. I got some stuff I need to do. So I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in, for watching live and watching the reruns. I appreciate you making it this far. It really does mean a lot to me. If you guys haven't subscribed and you're watching, I would appreciate if you guys would subscribe, like the video, comment if you haven't. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon. I'm probably going to stream on Monday or Tuesday next week. Well, Tuesday is going to be the obvious, but I might do a Monday depending on what I got going on. I just want to get back into swing of things. And if I'm just making excuses. So I'll see you guys on either Monday or Tuesday, but most likely Tuesday. If I'm feeling it, I'll come on for an extra day, or I'll rearrange the schedule for the week. But so far, we're going to stick to Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a good rest of your day. And until then, you guys know the plan. Trade the plan, stick to the plan, be good, be safe. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys so much again.